Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss which verbs change into passive. The topic for discussion is which sentences can be changed into passive voice. Whenever we ask some students the same question, so we get funny answers for that. Suppose some of them believe that if we have a preposition to in the sentence, we are unable to change that sentence into passive voice. Or some even go towards Urdu and they say that if we have this and this and this, perhaps they are right in some way, but that is not an easier way to understand which sentences can be changed into passive voice and which are unable to be changed or which cannot be changed into passive voice. Before going to discuss the topic, I have a sentence for you people. I go to Lahore weekly. Now, if you look at this sentence, you decide on your own whether it can be changed into passive voice or not. I'll tell you at the end of the video whether it can be changed or not. So let's move away to our topic, that which verbs can be changed into passive voice. The simple answer for this question is that transitive verbs can be changed into passive voice. Now perhaps you may think that what is a transitive verb? That is very easy. A transitive verb can be defined as a verb that takes an object after it. It means that when we have a sentence and we have a subject and we have a verb, if we have an object of the verb, if we have an object in the sentence, we will call this verb as a transitive verb and we will be in a position to change this sentence into passive voice. Now you may think that what is an object? Whether Lahore in this sentence is an object or not. Let's see. If we look at the definition of the object, so it can be defined as a thing that receives or takes the action of the subject is called object. It means that object is a thing that receives the action of the subject. Now if we look at this sentence, I go to Lahore weekly. Now if we look at the definition of object, we can easily understand that Lahore is not an object in this sentence because the action of going will not transfer to Lahore. It only tells us about the destination of the verb going. So it means it is not an object. And when it is not an object, the sentence has no object, it means that this is not a transitive verb, it is an intransitive verb and this sentence cannot be changed into passive voice. So simply speaking, we can say that any sentence that has a transitive verb inside it will be changed into passive voice. A transitive verb is a verb that takes an object after it. An object is anything in a sentence that receives the action of the subject. Thank you for watching.